Hi everyone, Tim from Grandad's Workshop. We're on to the folding books now. There should be 13 altogether, these folding books. So I've got here, paper one looks to be all folding books. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the folding strip there, and then at the end is all your covers, the corresponding cover to go with the book. So that would give us 7. Paper 3 at the top is posters. Below that you've got 4 folding books, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the corresponding covers. And on paper 4, all we've got left now is 2 folding books and the corresponding covers, giving us a grand total of 13 folding books. So that's our folding book sheets. What I'll do, I'll just take the paper 4, which has just got the 2 on it, and we will borrow Jan's paper trimmer. So, lined it with our wire again, you see. Very good. Boom. There we go. I've got the other sheets to do yet, but let's just do 2 so we can see what we're about. I don't think the book covers necessarily relate to the contents, so but we'll keep them as is just in case. Right, whatever you do it whatever else you want, but don't cut any of these lines on the folding book, or the folding book will not fold.
Oh, a cup of coffee is amazing.
One of them. And that's 2 of them. So obviously there is a right way up for both the innards and the book cover. So consult the oracle. It says essentially you just fold down both the spline lines on the actual cover. We've got 2 lines running down the spline, so we've got to fold them and then fold each of the lines on the inside of the book, so we end up with like a accordion. No, I think what we're going to be best to do is score them, but obviously not too much. I don't know if the cocktail stick will do it, but I don't want to go too crazy with anything heavier or sharper. We don't want to cut through it, do we? So, make sure you get the top there, and then we're folding it so that, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold that first. Let's just score that a tiny bit.
Drop my scoreboard.
No, because I don't want to do too. I mean, you probably could do without, but so see how easy or not these fold. So because I've scored it a little bit, it's just going to fold nicely. So that's our book cover, and this is what it's telling us to do. If that's the right way up, like so, that's the top of the book. Then we need that one. Again, make sure they're both the same way up. That will be going inside the front cover, and then we'll fold like so, and then we just keep alternating. And there you go, that's what we've got. That's the top edge. Not going there, all squidges up. And it's just the same thickness as the spine of the book. So now we're going to glue it in. I think we're just going to glue the back of that one. We'll get that in and then we'll glue the other side. Right, so just one more check, make sure we've got the inside of the book same way up as the cover. So that's top of the cover, top of the book. There you go, that's your first folding book. Okay, so I'm just going to switch off for a few minutes while I finish off the other folding books, and then we'll be right back. Okay folks, so you're back just in the nick of time, because we've just got one more folding book to finish off, so let's do that together. There you go. So, there they are in all the glory. Brilliant. So, if you're enjoying it, stick with me, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for the next episode.